To perform a backup of your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to locate the about phone information, and then when we enter it, we can scroll down until we see the backup and restore. Select it. Then go into mobile device local backup. You can perform a backup using your other device, mobile device. There's also option to create a backup on your computer. You can also use the Xiaomi Cloud to perform the backup. And finally, there's Google Backups as well, which uses your Google account, which you probably have if you're using this phone. And that way, I think this is the easiest one to make. So just back up your phone data in the Google, tap on backup, select what you want to backup, and then you can click on this green button to perform it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.